Hello guys, my name is Felipe with Velocity Factor, and this segment is very exciting because we get to work with one of the strongest, fastest cars around from the factory. It's a Porsche Turbo S 991.2. It's a 2018, and we get to take it to stage 3 category, which is a full exhaust system, upgraded intercoolers, and a custom tune. So I can't wait to show you guys how we're going to take this car from 540 horsepower to over 700. So the combination for this stage 3 package is very effective, and it only consists of 4 things. The full exhaust system from Akrapovic in titanium. It also has a rear diffuser made out of real carbon fiber, and it has the titanium tips embossed into it, which looks really, really clean. And it also sounds amazing, and it supports, you know, a very high horsepower level. The CSF intercoolers are going to allow the car to receive a cooler air inlet temperature, which means that the computer is going to not pull any timing or less timing out, which means the car is going to perform a lot better in the long haul. And last but not least, the whole combination gets tuned with a Cobb access port, not only for the increase of performance of the engine, but also for the PDK transmission to be able to hold more torque and shift better and be able to have better engagement of the newfound power. And this concludes the stage 3 package. So just to conclude, there's very few cars that you can go buy right now that can make 700 plus horsepower from the factory without touching the engine or anything. This is definitely one of them, so we took advantage of that with the stage 3 package that we put together, and we took the customer for a ride. He couldn't believe the power this car was making. It is absolutely awesome. And I just wanted to say, if you guys are looking to do a build on your car, allow us to put our expertise to work for you. Give us a call, let us know what you have in mind, and we'll try to make it a reality. Until then, my name is Felipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.